Alright, so anyway, here we are. The other tire, it wasn't just the one, the whole bead here rotted out. So just that one part just blew. Now I had a couple of different options here. Yeah, they're working on the track. The paint is peeling off these, but the rims themselves are still good. So I don't have a problem with that right now. But if I want, I can get two brand new tires on rims for 250 bucks. Or I could buy the exact same tire that I have for $45 a piece. The other tire is completely shot. This one doesn't look too bad at this point, but you know what? I don't want to have to be without, so I'm thinking just order two tires. I can change them myself. I've done it before. It's not a big deal. Back winds are a little bit tougher, but other than that, it's not too bad. And then I also found a set. These are 4-ply, and that's what they call for. But they also have the same tire in 8-ply for $80 a piece. Now they've been working. I think I just got a bad one over there because I put these tires on new a couple years ago. So I'm going to order two more of these, and then once those go, I'm going to order the 8-ply. And why? Because when this is turning and there's weight in the bucket, there's a lot of stress on the sidewall. So I think the 8-plies will be better, but for now I just want to get it up and running and get what I need. So that's what I'm going to do at this point. I'm going to order the two of the identical ones that I have. Free shipping. I think Summit has it, and they were $45 a piece. So that's what we're going to do, and I'll change them off. And then when those go, I'll keep this one as a spare. I'll change them both, keep this as a spare, and when it does happen to go, then I'll get new rims with the 8-ply. And that's where we're at. So, but for now I'm down. Alright. And that's what's making all the noise. I don't know what he's doing over there. Okay, I'm recording still. I didn't even know that. I think I have the socket for that in here, but I'm not. No, apparently I don't. Thought I did. So I have to get a socket for there. But hold on a minute. What size can it be now? What size? Get out one of the old Impackarooskies. This looks like the one. Hold on a minute. There's no sense bringing them all out there. Well, that looked like the one, but apparently it wasn't the one. So it's got to be this one. Well, I guess it was just me. I'll tell you what. What a fool. And I'm going to show you why. You see that green mark? Green tractor. Hello. You think? I mean, do you think? Apparently I didn't. Alright. Oh yeah, okay. Well, let me get a little Earl. There. put a little oil in the air intake. Yeah. Alright, let's go over here for a minute. I may not bring you all the way out there, only because, but come on. There's no sense in it actually, because then you're going to hear all the noise. So there's no reason for you to have to hear all the noise. Let me do the other side while I'm at it.
Documents for my computer.
Oh, good. Let me see. Just gonna make it over here. Yeah, good. Alright. Started up here first.
What?
Started here first.
Yes.
And then turn it off. Oh, looks like when the boys ran by. I'll take you out there in a minute. Wipe some of this down. Okay. What are you doing, babe? All right. She wants to cut the front lawn. So the good thing is, the rain is bringing the grass back, but the bad thing is, you gotta cut the grass a couple times a week. Let me go out there and help her. Alright, you got it. Oh! Turn it off before you go out skate. She gets pissed. Sometimes she just doesn't listen to me. I tell her all the time, start it and check the fuel while you're back here. So you don't go out front to find out that it's not going to start or you need fuel. Simple. And then I tell her before she moves it away from here to let it shut down, and then you can restart it once you get out front, once you know that it's fueled and it started once back here. So she started it, and away she goes with it running. Well, she's just doing some trimming back here. Anyway, these are the spacers, by the way. I got these out of a place in Vegas, Nevada, and they do really nice work. I got 2.5, I think these are 2.5 inch for the front and the rears, and excellent. Excellent. They added just enough. Oh, I found more. They added just enough width to give me a little bit more stability and without making it unstable, you know, meaning the axle being too long and the wheel bending off. And I can still get it on the trailer. So, but I needed to put those on so I could get chains on there, because the clearance was so little that the chains wouldn't work. So I had to put spacers on. I could have got away with a 1-inch spacer, but I said, you know what? As long as I'm going, I might as well go as wide as I possibly could and yet still be able to get it on the trailer and stay within a stable zone within. Because naturally, the longer you put things out, the more stress you're putting on it. So I want it to be, you know, something that's going to last as well. I could have went with 5-inch, but then it wouldn't have fit on the trailer. And I thought 5-inch would have been a little much. I really didn't need 5-inch. Because that's going to limit what I can do and get into with the tractor as well. That's one of the reasons why I bought the smaller one, so I can get around with it. So, but there's the spacers. Let me go. Hey, Lance! Let me go out and clean that up. Hold on.